Have you been using Squarespace for your online store but feel like you've outgrown it? Or maybe you're just craving a platform that offers more robust e-commerce features. Well, today's video is for you. We're diving into a complete guide on how to migrate from Squarespace to BigCommerce. Now, I know, the word migrate might sound a bit daunting, right? But don't worry, I'm going to break down the entire process step by step, making it super simple for you to follow along. By the end of this video, you'll have all the know-how to make a smooth transition to BigCommerce, and trust me, it's going to open up a whole new world of possibilities for your business. So let's jump right in. All right, the first thing we need to do is export your products from Squarespace. It's pretty simple. Start by heading over to your Squarespace dashboard. On the left sidebar, you'll see an option called Products and Services. Click on that and then select Products. This will bring up your product page showing you a list of all the items in your store. Now, take a look at the top right corner. You'll see an Export All button. Go ahead and click on that button, and that's it. All your products will now be downloaded onto your computer. Next up, let's export your users. Head back to your Squarespace dashboard and look for Contacts on the left sidebar menu and give that a click. This will open up the contacts page, showing you everyone who has interacted with your store, right from your loyal customers to new email subscribers. Now, glance over to the top right corner. You'll see 3 little dots there. Click on those, and you'll get a drop-down menu. Select Export All Contacts from the options. It might ask you to confirm, so go ahead and do that. And just like that, you've got all your contacts safely downloaded. Now that we've got all your data exported from Squarespace, it's time to bring it over to your BigCommerce store. Let's kick things off by importing your products. First, head to the Products section in your BigCommerce dashboard and look for the Import option. Click on it and you'll see a prompt to select the type of data you want to import. From the drop-down menu, choose Products. Then upload the CSV file you exported from Squarespace earlier, the one we covered in the first step of this video. If you already have some products on your BigCommerce store, there's an option to overwrite the existing products. This is handy if you want to ensure your product data is fresh and up to date. Click on Preview to review your products and make sure everything matches up with the correct headers. BigCommerce is pretty smart with automatic mapping, but it's always a good idea to double check to make sure everything looks right. Once you're satisfied with the preview, hit the Start Import button, and that's it. BigCommerce will work its magic, and in no time, all your products will be live on your new BigCommerce store. Great job so far. Now that your products are all set up, it's time to bring in your most valuable asset, your customers. Start by heading over to the Customers section in your BigCommerce dashboard and look for the Import option. Click on it, and just like with the products, you'll see a few options pop up. You can safely ignore the bulk edit checkbox, as that's specifically for BigCommerce to BigCommerce migrations. If you're starting fresh or want to clean up your existing data, you can choose to override existing records. Next, upload your customer data CSV file that you exported from Squarespace earlier. If you're a more technical user, BigCommerce also gives you the option to upload the file directly to the server. For most users, though, the standard upload will do just fine. Leave the other fields as they are, their standard settings for CSV files. Once you're ready, click Next. BigCommerce will provide a preview and automatically match certain fields, like names, phone numbers, and so on. This step is crucial, so take your time here and make sure every field is correctly mapped to the corresponding data. It might take a bit, but trust me, this attention to detail will save you headaches down the line, once you're confident that everything is mapped correctly. Click Next again, and then hit the Start Import button. In just a few seconds, BigCommerce will import all your customer data. Once the import is complete, take a moment to quickly review the imported customers to ensure everything looks as expected. And that's it. Congratulations, you've successfully completed your migration from Squarespace to BigCommerce. Now you're all set to take full advantage of BigCommerce's powerful platform and all the tools it offers to help grow your business to new heights. But before you go, we want to let you in on something important. If you need extra help with your migration, don't worry, we're here for you. Whether you run into challenges with your specific store or just want a more hands-off approach, our team is here to assist you every step of the way with our store migration service. Just check out the link in the description below to get in touch and let us know about your project. We'll be more than happy to help you get set up. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Ecommerce tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy selling.